Well, good afternoon. I'm in the middle of something. I'm always in the middle of something. Anyhow, my Lincoln welder, sp175 plus, quit working on me. Only had it about 15 years. The wire wouldn't feed out. The motor quit running on it. And thought maybe it needed a new liner. Put a new liner in it. You know, thought maybe it couldn't push it out, but that didn't help. And then the motor wouldn't run at all. And also, every once in a while, I'd turn it on and throw a bunch of sparks out the side. So I got tore it down, see what was the matter. Let's see. Yeah, everything there looks good. But right here is a big capacitor. And see how it's all pitted there bad? Been hot. Oh, what'd I do? The little bolt was all melted down. Well, anyhow, here's the capacitor. Got all kind of numbers on it. Alright, so anyhow, I got to checking on the internet. I found numbers come up, and someplace on the internet had this same capacitor for $22. Well, that sounded alright, not bad. But they didn't have any, they was all sold out. And then I called a Lincoln welder repair place down at Troy, I think, or no, Sydney, down in Sydney. And I was talking to a fella, and he said the problem I had was kind of common with these old things. And but the new capacitor right there, they had them up at Cleveland for, I think, either $200 or $300. And should I put $200 or $300 in this thing, or put a couple hundred more with it and get me a Harbor Freight one? I don't know, but I think I'll show you what happened. Them top terminals right there, this is original, and this one is all burned up on top. I filed it off fairly smooth on top, and I run a tap down through the inside and rethreaded it. Next size bigger, and I screwed that bolt in, cut the head off, put a nut on it, and I think it'll tighten up maybe. But if it does, it should work. If not, then I'll have to buy the new capacitor. But until then, I gotta clean these wires up. And the guy said something about this flat one here, had he cut it off, drill a new hole in it, and then put it back together. So that's what I'm going to do here in a minute, and we'll see if it works. And I don't know. I don't suppose it's worth the effort to video drilling a hole. Alright, I'll get back with you here pretty soon. Well, got a new hole in it. It wasn't so hard to do. Now I've got to cut it off, clean it up, and I got a hole drilled in through here and there. Clean that up, then we'll see if it works. That's just thin aluminum. I think we'll just cut that off with a pair of tin snips. Alright, I'll get back to it. Well, there's the top of the capacitor. That side was burned up so bad, there was nothing but ashes on top. I filed off quite a bit. Well, I got them cleaned up. They should work. I'll put that in there and get it hooked up. See what happens. Well, it works. Don't know for how long. Now I'll put the screws back in, put the wire in, turn the gas on, do some fixings. Alright, go try it. I think it might work, if I remember how to make it work. Something like that.